Have you ever caught yourself clicking that "Buy Now" button without a second thought? What if I told you it wasn't just a random impulse? What if there's something deeper at play, a subtle force guiding your decisions? This isn't just another marketing video. What you're about to discover goes beyond mere tactics, into the realm of digital marketing psychology. It's not just about clever ads. It's about understanding the silent conversations happening in your mind, the ones you aren't even aware of. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden mechanisms that brands use to predict your desires, often before you're even conscious of them. By the end, you won't just recognize these tactics, you'll be equipped to use them, turning the tables in your own marketing game. Section 1. What is digital marketing psychology? So, what is digital marketing psychology, really? It's not just another buzzword. It's the science of how your mind interacts with the digital world. Every click, every pause, marketers are decoding these moments, learning more about you than you might realize. They're not just asking why you clicked. They're probing deeper into your emotions, your fears, your motivations. Imagine someone knowing what you want before you do. It sounds unsettling, but it's happening every day, and it's what makes certain ads impossible to ignore. Section 2. The power of understanding your audience. Understanding your audience isn't just marketing 101. It's the difference between being heard and being forgotten. Picture this, you're trying to sell something, but you don't know who you're selling to. Your message floats aimlessly, lost in the void. But when you know your audience, you're not just speaking their language, you're speaking directly to their inner world. Data isn't just numbers. It's the blueprint of human behavior, and those who can read it, they hold the power to captivate and compel. Section 3. Key psychological principles in digital marketing. Now, let's explore the psychological principles that marketers wield like keys to the human mind. Reciprocity. Give something, and the need to return the favor becomes almost irresistible. Social proof. When everyone else is doing it, you feel compelled to follow. Scarcity. The fear of missing out drives decisions faster than logic ever could. And authority. When a brand is trusted, its word becomes law. These aren't just tactics. They're the invisible hands shaping your choices. Section 4. Creating a psychological profile of your ideal customer. To truly influence, you must first understand. Crafting a psychological profile of your ideal customer is like assembling a puzzle where each piece reveals something more profound about who they are. What do they fear? What do they desire? These aren't just idle questions. They are the very foundation upon which effective marketing is built. The better you understand them, the more precisely you can tailor your messages to resonate on a level that's almost visceral. Section 5. Implementing digital marketing psychology in your strategy. Knowing these principles is only the beginning. To truly leverage digital marketing psychology, you must weave these insights into every part of your strategy. Content that speaks with authority, ads that play on social proof, designs that trigger urgency. Each element must be crafted with intention. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Testing, learning, and adapting is key. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Your success lies in your ability to evolve with your audience. Conclusion. We've journeyed through the shadows of digital marketing psychology, revealing how it shapes the way you think and feel about brands. This knowledge isn't just power. It's the secret to unlocking a deeper connection with your audience. Now, it's up to you to take these insights and apply them to your own marketing strategies. You're no longer just playing the game, you're rewriting the rules. Outro and next steps. Before you go, there's something you need to see. An ebook that delves even deeper into these concepts. Psychology of Scrolling isn't just a guide. It's your key to mastering the subtle art of persuasion. Packed with practical insights and real-world examples, this is the resource that will take your marketing to the next level. Grab your free copy now and start transforming casual viewers into loyal followers. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Step into the world of digital marketing psychology and make it work for you.